What?
Water.
I'm gonna take this off. If you scream, then you're dead, you understand?
Please, I promise I won't scream.
Make this difficult and you're dead. You understand? Move forward.
You're not gonna kill me, are you? I don't think you're that type.
What makes you so sure?
A lot of things. I can feel you've been watching me since you've put me here, and nothing's happened yet. You're waiting for something, aren't you?
Doesn't matter. You don't need to know. Get up.
Where are we going?
Just get up.
Whatever it is you're going to do, you don't have to.
What have you done? Stay there. Why'd you have to do that?
What are you going to do now?
It's over. I think she saw my face.
What? How?
The blind slipped. I don't know what to do now.
You complete idiot! You can forget about me writing off your debt now. You're done, Cirx. I'll tie things up if I were you.
Are you going to kill me now?
No. You're free now. Go.
This wasn't your idea, was it? Who hired you? It's okay. You can tell me. It's not like you have anything to hide now.
It was Jace, your ex-husband. He wanted you abducted, roughened up and stuff.
Why would he do that? And why would you help him?
He was gonna come tomorrow morning, scare me off, be the hero, all that shit. Thought it would make you come to your senses with him. I was in debt with him, $50,000 for a labour job gone wrong. To clear my debt, I had to do something for him. This.
So you're not the bad guy after all.
Well, it doesn't matter. I am now. Jace will get away with this.
No, take me back to Jace.